continues. Okay. All right. Oh, they're all in. Okay. So for now, what do you do? Okay. You took that route, or I've got to jump into a locker if it is rush or ambush. Oh, right. I think the glitch fire fragment first. Oh, you don't have to stay. Keep going. Oh, there it is. Okay. Because all you have to do now is just go through like one door. Because if I work backwards, I might get an extra one out of it. Just by doing that. There we go. Come on. Keep going. No, 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 no. Keep going. There we go. There we go. There we go.
Chị ơi, tôi bây giờ đang tao tuh ngayon. Sisingit mo ba?
Magmumug muna tayo bago magkape. Sabi ng anak ko, pag nag-brush ka daw, pag kumain ka, wala na daw lasa. Kaya ayaw kumain bago pag nag-toothbrush. Bago ka magkape sa umaga, guys, uminom ka muna ng tubig. Ang weather ngayong umaga. Ayan. Sana tumila na ang ulan.
Okay guys.